This is my living room. Below, I showed you some objects in this place. The first thing you see to your left is the LCD TV and DVD and some equipment, which I like the small one. On your left of the wall are some pictures. These are my parents on the day of your marriage. And there are, remember the day of the mother. In the left are the shelves. In this there are some glasses, cooking utensils, and some porcelains in the top. In the back of the room is the sofa and some archives. The vast red color serves the curtain. At the right is the speaker of an equipment and the pictures of the paternal grandparents. Next to this is the desk with computer, and on the shelf are CDs and books. In the top you can see some porcelains and bush of flowers. Addition of other photos like this of my childhood, one of my parents, and one of my graduation. And finally, on the coffee table is an artificial kiss. Thank you.